think I've been awake since 6 o'clock. I can't sleep. No, 5 o'clock. Still got a lot left to do, like packing wise. But I've just had a message from Jen. Sorry. Oh my god, my feet are gone numb. Pre-travel day! Good morning! Would someone like a cup of tea?
Yes.
Okay.
How long have you been awake for?
Since 5.
What?
Yeah, I can't sleep. I'm excited.
Or nervous?
Bit of both. More excitement. Right, let's get you that tea. Due to my slowness, Bink's forced to help me.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, but we've got so much to do. We are under-prepared. Even though Jen did all of her packing, I've messed a whole lot up with my clothes, so I do apologise. And we got our travel day cabin cases. That made no sense, but to me it did. Ready to pack as well. So it's what, 6 o'clock in the morning? And we are fully awake and buzzing to get to Gatwick. But first we just got a few more things to do. What's the plan, Bink? What are we doing?
Going to get beautiful.
Yeah, we both need it. So that's right, we're off to Uxbridge. We're going to go get a nice big breakfast. Jen's going to get her nails done.
Yeah.
Clearly I need mine doing. I'm joking.
Nails, toenails.
Yeah, you're going to get all that.
Yeah.
And then a few final things, head back, and then the main vlog will start. The pre-travel 2019 back to Florida is happening, Big. Woohoo! Do little dogs. I like it. Let's do it. Let's get to Uxbridge. A little bit of a tradition for us on pre-travel day. Let's go inside Uxbridge and go into Frank's for a huge breakfast, which looks exactly like this. So I've got bacon omelette, and this is what Bink's got. What's that? Tuna melt, basically.
Tuna melt.
Yummy. 30 seconds later, I've got a clean plate, and Bink did really good. But now it's just a few last little things, and we need to get home and finish packing.
So, we have finished in Uxbridge. Got my nails done. Now we're off to the PO box because hopefully I've got a little something.
Ooh. Wait, what is it? I want to know.
We have gone to the PO box. Yay! I think I know what this is.
Okay, since the last time you've seen us, we have been so busy. We are melting with sweat, and we've only just this second closed these cases and put the straps on. Like, we've had all this time, but we're so underprepared, and we still have yet to open this box containing Get Binky. So I need to carry these heavy cases downstairs. Slightly worried that it's going to be overweight, but we will see. And then it's a mad frantic rush to Gatwick and finally relax with a gin.
Yeah, definitely.
Right, let's get these cases downstairs and start the actual main vlog.
Yes.
Welcome to Get Binky's Florida Holiday 2019 pre-travel day, as demonstrated by the one and only Big Bink. Oh my gosh. Right, let's weigh these cases and get back to Gatwick Airport. Heck yeah, baby. It's about time you open these.
I know.
Oh wow.
Little letter.
Oh wow. Oh my gosh, look at them.
Look how cool they are.
We're gonna wear them.
There's these, but I've got another pair.
Yeah.
They're comfy.
They look amazing. Very Animal Kingdom.
Yeah. These should be Star Wars. Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Look how pretty they are.
That is insane. Try them on, Big Bink. You got all the ears. Oh yeah, the force is strong in this one.
With me.
The great Get Binky. They're amazing, aren't they?
So cool.
So it's been a little while since we've caught up. And as you can tell, we've made it to Gatwick. And this is pretty much our view I say pretty much because this isn't from our room. I'll just quickly show you that, okay? We are staying 846 Bloc Hotel. It is gorgeous, okay? Here's our room. I'll give you a full room tour in one of our actual, big videos. This is meant to be a mini vlog, isn't it? Right, Bink? Yeah. Forgive Bink, she's knackered. Yeah, tell everyone, how do you feel, gorgeous? Oh, Bink. We need to be quick. We need to get over to... Yeah, we need to check in. 5 minutes. Here's our big bed. Don't want to move the camera too fast. Toilet, but also shower. So a nice wet room. Hello. I've got to stop doing that noise in mirrors. So come into here. Go around. You can tell you're at Bloc because look. Oh, yeah. You got your sink, obviously. I don't know why I say what I see. You guys know all this stuff. Fancy flusher though, right? Yeah. Looking forward to testing that out tonight. Heck yeah, I am. But the big highlight of this room, not only my gorgeous Bink, but bed at the end of the TV, amazeballs.
What? Did you just say?
I know what I meant. I know. Oh man, busted. I know what I meant. You guys know what I meant. TV at the end of the bed. There we go. But this is for you, and I cannot wait for night time to be looking out of here with Jen and taking all of this view in. Heck yeah. But for now, we need to take the monorail and get over to the north side for Twilight check-in and Nicolas Culpepper food. And hopefully that will make Bink feel a little bit better, bless her. But yeah, pre-travel day, we're doing it, baby. Welcome. Get Binky to the Nicolas Culpepper. Legit, thank you, man. One take as well, I love it. So you recommend this place?
Yes, sir.
Let's do it, Bink. Virgin Twilight check-in. Twilight check-in, baby. Right here. Thankfully, our cases were under the weight limit. What was that? Hey, Bink. You relaxing? You chilling out? We are shattered. Today has been manic, and my poor Bink, she's really had it the last couple of days, like the stress of, are we going, ain't we going? Yeah. But we've had a great day. It's just been so busy, but we had a lot of fun, great food at Nicolas Culpepper, and Virgin Twilight check-in was definitely an experience today. But it was fun, and thanks to a lovely staff member who helped us out. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, see you.
Bye-bye. But we need to say goodbye. Only for the pre-travel, only for the only for the pre-travel day. This was a mini vlog and it's our first attempt at doing something like this, so we hope you've enjoyed it. Please help us out. Give us a big fat thumbs up, share the video, leave us a nice little comment. It would be awesome. We would massively appreciate that. But our message to you guys is
do what makes you happy.
Exactly, enjoy it. Wherever you're watching us in the world, thank you so much. Love and respect. We'll get Binky. Woohoo! I miss you already.